All right, you ready? All right, so let's pick our shoulders up and then just roll them back and down. And if you want to do that a couple more times, it might feel nice just to be mindful and soften the shoulders. Let the legs relax toward the ground. And the top of your head, the crown of your head, crown chakra, reaches up to the sky. And we're not trying to shape the breath in any way. All we're doing is paying attention to it. How the inhale feels and how the exhale feels. And just notice the breath in the front of your body. Notice your breath on your right side. And notice your breath on your left side. And now notice your breath on the back of your body. Now let's inhale together. Exhale fully. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Please do a couple more on your own. And this is a nice opportunity to kind of find your own rhythm. What's your rhythm today? Let's do one more round together. Inhaling 4. And exhaling 4. And then just let the breath readjust. And now we're going to add one more component. So the component is a hold. So we're going to inhale 4, hold 2, and exhale 4. Let's try that again. Inhale 4, hold in 2, and exhale 4. And do a couple more on your own. 4 in, hold 2, and exhale 4. Couple more times. Last one. When you're done with this exhale, allow your breath to readjust. And then we're going to do one more, and this time I'll invite you, if you have the capacity to, to hold 4. So we inhale 4, we hold 4, and we exhale 4. If you find that the hold makes you kind of gasp for air or makes you exhale really hard, then maybe stick with the number 2 instead of 4. Okay? So this should be effortless. And, you know, it's our life force, so we're kind of cultivating this life force. And if you'd like to visualize where the hold is, think about the heart center, the heart chakra. Okay? So when you're ready, exhale completely. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 4. Hold at the heart 4. Exhale 4. And again, if the hold is too long for you, skip it or shorten it. Couple more rounds. Good. One more round. When you're done with the exhale, allow the breath to readjust. And just notice how you feel. Inhales are more energizing, so it's a nice way to start our practice. But if you're going into meditation or in the evening, I would suggest the holds on exhale rather than inhale. So let's just take 3 regular breaths here. And now we'll inhale the palms up, exhale the hands together. And let's chant 1 Om. Take a deep breath. Om.